everyone, I am going to be reading today Fly Guy Presents Firefighters, written by Tedd Arnold, and I'm reading with permission from Scholastic. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. I am so excited to go to the fire station, said Buzz. Fly Guy looked scared. Fires? Don't worry, said Buzz. There's no fire inside. A fire station is where we'll find firefighters and fire trucks. Buzz and Fly Guy wanted to learn more. In the fire station, Fly Guy and Buzz met the fire chief. A fire chief is a firefighter who is in charge of the station. He gets a call when someone pulls a fire alarm or dials 911. A fire chief learns what and where the emergency is. Then the alarm sounds at the station. Firefighters need to move fast. The firefighters rush to their trucks. Sometimes they slide down a fire pole. This is a fast way for the firefighters to get to the garage. Fire trucks are parked in the engine bay or garage. Each truck has special equipment that is used to put out fires. Rope, fire axe, fire extinguishers. The trucks are always ready so firefighters can race to the scene. We're on our way. Firefighters keep their gear in the garage next to their trucks. It protects them and helps them do their job. When there's an emergency, firefighters have to get dressed fast. They put on their gear in less than 1 minute. All that gear weighs about 50 pounds. Helmet protects from falling objects. Special masks helps with breathing and seeing in smoke. Oxygen tank, fireproof gloves, fireproof pants, fireproof and waterproof boots. A fire truck needs to get to the fire fast so that firefighters can put it out or extinguish it. Fire trucks have loud sirens and flashing lights to warn other drivers that a fire truck is speeding through. Long ago, firefighters did not have trucks. Firefighters, horses, or even fire dogs pulled the pump and hose on a big cart. There is a pump panel inside each truck. It controls the hoses. This is the pump panel. Every truck has a long hose and a tank filled with about 25 bathtubs full of water. This is the hose right there. Pumps push water through the hose at 1,000 gallons per minute. If the water runs out, firefighters can hook up to their hoses to fire hydrants. Firefighters carry lots of extra tools to help use in emergency situations. Ladders and axes can help them reach someone trapped in a burning building. Firefighters have lots of skills. Many firefighters have medical training. They carry first aid kits to help people who are hurt. Each fire truck has a tall ladder on top. The ladder extends and helps firefighters rescue people in tall buildings. Flying up would be a lot easier. Yes. The ladders can reach 100 feet up. That's about as tall as 5 giraffes stacked on top of each other. Firefighters use fire rescue boats to put out fires on the water. Fireboats to the rescue! They fight fires from oil spills and fires on other boats. For a large fire, like a forest fire, firefighters use helicopters. Water and special firefighting chemicals are poured onto the flames below. Firefighters don't just put out fires, they sometimes rescue people and animals from other dangers like car accidents, blizzards, and floods. Being a firefighter is an important and dangerous job. Many firefighters are volunteers. That means they do not get paid. They volunteer to help keep their community safe. Hot dogs! It is not just firefighters that save lives. Some fire stations have specially trained fire rescue dogs. They help people who are trapped or injured in a fire. Hey fella! Fire rescue dogs wear extra gear too. Firefighters help keep people safe, but they have to stay safe too. That's why they practice for all kinds of emergencies. They call these practice sessions drills. In safe areas, they learn how to extinguish fires. Firefighters train and exercise so they can move quickly in dangerous situations. Exercise. Fire drills are important, and not just for firefighters. Everyone should be ready for an emergency. Most fires are started by accident. So there's a class fire drill. I'm sure we've done those. Buzz and Fly Guy's fire safety tips. Never play with matches or lighters. If a smoke alarm goes off, leave the building quickly and safely. Next, call 911. To escape during a fire, fall and crawl. Staying low beneath the smoke is important. Stop, drop, and roll if clothing catches fire. Be ready and practice. Have a fire drill at home. And always call 911 in an emergency. Fires can often be prevented or stopped from happening at all if we are prepared. Firefighters have an amazing job, Buzz said. It is so cool that they help in so many people and keep us safe. Yes. Buzz and Fly Guy cannot wait to go on another field trip. Thanks for reading with me today. Hope you learned some stuff about firefighters. See you next time.